7 days and $847 generated with affiliate marketing. These are the results of one of my complete beginners students. They did that without creating a single piece of content, without building a social media following, and without any technical skills. If you think you need to be tech expert to have a massive audience to make money with affiliate marketing, you will be wrong. I'm about to show you the exact system that's working right now and it's going to be working in 2026, and how AI is doing 90% of the heavy lifting for complete beginners. Stick around, because by the end of this video you have a complete roadmap you can implement today. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and if you're back, welcome back. My name is Ross Minchev and I'm the co-owner of Profit Avengers, a 7-figure affiliate marketing company. We've earned multiple ClickBank Platinum Awards with my business partner Mark for generating more than $1 million in commissions. And our students are consistently generating between $300 to $1,000 a day in affiliate commissions as well. I remember when I started in this industry, I was completely overwhelmed. There was so many strategies, so many tools, so many conflicting advices. So today, I'm going to give you the simplest, most beginners-friendly system that actually works, and it's working right now. This isn't complicated. This isn't theory. This is a step-by-step system that you can start implementing as soon as today, even if you have never made a dollar online. And the best part is, AI is going to do the most of the work for you. So let me be honest with you about why most beginners fail at affiliate marketing. It's not because they're not smart enough, or it's not because they don't work hard enough. It's because they're overwhelmed by information and they don't know where to start. They watch a bunch of YouTube videos telling them to build a website, write a blog post, and wait 6 months for Google to rank the blog post. They hear they need to post on TikTok 5 times a day and pray that the videos go viral. They're also told to pick a product and just start promoting it with no actual strategy in place. The truth is, most affiliate marketing advices are designed for people who are already having experience, and nobody's showing beginners the complete system from A to Z. That's actually working right now in 2025 and 2026. But here's what's different now. AI has changed everything. Tools that used to require hiring designers, copywriters, and marketers, you can now access for free. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and how to use them right now. So let me just break down what is affiliate marketing in the simplest term possible for those of you who are just getting started. Companies are having their products and they want to sell their products. They will pay you a commission anywhere from 20 to 60% or even more to send them customers. That's it. You're the middleman, connecting people who have a problem with the solution, which is the product from the companies. And the system I'm going to teach you have 4 simple steps. First, you find a product people are actively searching for. Second, you create a simple system that captures commissions and, most importantly, people's email addresses, and more on that later. Thirdly, you use AI to build everything you need. And fourthly, you drive targeted traffic to your system. And yes, it requires some investment, but we're talking about $10 to $20 to start, not thousands. The reason this system works so well for beginners is because you're not guessing, you're not hoping, you're using data to find products people already want, and you're putting yourself in front of them at the exact moment they're looking to buy. Step 1 is finding the right product to promote. I've been using a platform called Exploring Topics recently, so let me show you how it works. And this tool has been a game changer for finding opportunities before they get saturated. What this tool does is simply, it shows you what people are searching for right now that's growing in popularity. So let's see some examples here. When I checked Exploring Topics recently, I found this AI image enhancer is trending up significantly. This means thousands of people are searching for tools to improve their photos using AI. Here's the key. This is a validated market with real demand. When you find a trend like this, you go find affiliate programs in that space. For AI image enhancers, there are multiple companies, for example, Topaz Labs and another company, Let's Enhance, and other companies like that. They offer from 30 to 50 to 60% commissions. Some companies even offer recurring commissions, which means you get paid every single month that customers stay subscribed. For example, Let's Enhance does that and it offers 30% recurring commissions. And there are also well-known affiliate networks like ClickBank, Digistore24, or Impact.com. Here's another example from completely different niche. Grounding shoes. These are shoes designed for grounding health movement. and they are exploding in popularity right now. There are affiliate programs in that space offering 20 to 40% commissions on products that sell for $100 to $200. Now you can do the math how much a commission you're going to get for this type of an item. When choosing which trend to pursue, ask yourself 3 questions. Do affiliate programs exist with at least 30% commission rates? Second, is this something people will actually spend money on? And thirdly, am I comfortable recommending this product to other people? Just pick one trend, commit to it for yourself and for your first funnel. Step 2 is building your system. Now, don't panic, this is way simpler than it actually sounds. You need a platform that can do 3 things. Create a landing page, send automated emails, and track your results. That's it. And the tool I recommend for complete beginners is System 304. Here is why. It handles everything in one place. Your landing page, your email automation, and all your analytics in one dashboard. And the best part, it has a free plan that lets you get started without any upfront investment in the software. Here is what you're building, a simple landing page that offers something valuable for free in exchange for an email address. This is called a lead magnet. For the AI image enhancer example, your lead magnet could be 5 free AI tools to enhance your photos in seconds. For the grounding shoes, it could be the complete beginner's guide to grounding and earthing. Now here's where I make this incredibly easy. Go to ChatGPT and type create a detailed guide about AI image enhancement tools with comparisons and use cases. And within 13 seconds, you have a complete PDF guide. Done. Formatted nicely in Canva, which also has the AI tools to design it if you want to. And your lead magnet is done. Inside System.io, you create your landing page. But here's the secret. You don't write any of this yourself. Go to ChatGPT again and say, write compelling landing page copy for a free guide about AI image enhancer tools. Include a headline, subheadline, 3 bullet points of benefits, and a call to action. AI writes your entire page in seconds. That's it. For images on your landing page, use AI image generators again, like ChatGPT or Nano Banana from Google AI Studio, or the AI tools built into Canva. Type what you need. Professional person editing photos on a laptop. Modern, clean background, and you have a custom images without hiring a designer. So now, after someone enters their email address on the landing page, you need a thank you page. And this is where you present your first affiliate offer. Keep it simple. Thanks them for downloading your guide. And then you can leave a message. If you want the most powerful AI image enhancer, I personally use this tool, and you leave your affiliate link, product name, whatever. Include your affiliate link. Some people will buy immediately and you've made your first commission on the actual thank you page. Now, you need to set up automated emails. Again, AI does the work. Go to ChatGPT and here's the prompt. Write a 7 email sequences for people who downloaded a guide about AI image enhancer. Include value in each email and naturally recommend affiliate products. And here you go. You get a complete email sequence written for you in minutes just from the AI. Here's how it works. Email 1 delivers the guide. Email 2 shares a helpful tip about photo editing. Email 3 tells a relevant story or case study. Email 4 presents your main affiliate product with a clear recommendation. And emails 5 through 7 provide additional value while mentioning different product options, which are probably, should be, your affiliate links. So load this into System.io and they will be sent automatically. The place where you load them is called email campaigns or email newsletters. Now, step 3 is getting people to see your landing page, and this is where Facebook ads come in. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh, Facebook ads sounds too complicated, too expensive. But with AI, this has become incredibly simple. First, because Facebook now has a new AI update called Andromeda, which helps complete beginners to see results from day one. And more on this update you can see in the video in the description below. And secondly, you use AI to create all the ads and you don't have to create them yourself. You can start with as little as $10 to $20 per day. Yes, this is an investment, but think of it like this. If you spend $30 and make $60 back in commissions, you just doubled your money. That's how this works when you have a good system. And here's how AI makes this beginners friendly. Go to ChatGPT and say, write 3 Facebook ad variations for a free guide about AI image enhancer tools. Target photographers and content creators. Make it compelling and curiosity driven. within seconds you have multiple ad copies to test in your Facebook Ads Manager. For ad images, use the same AI image generator. Create 3 to 5 different variations for AI image enhancers. You might show before and after photos examples, someone frustrated with low quality images, or a clean professional workspace. Test different angles because you won't know what resonates until you try. Inside the Facebook Ads Manager, you create a campaign, choose conversions as your objective because you want people to become leads when they land on your opt-in page or landing page. For targeting, test 2 variations. First, keep it open, let Andromeda Update do the rest. And second, test, which you're going to do, try a small interest layering. Target people interested in photography, graphic design, Adobe products, or content creation if you're promoting AI image enhancers or courses, right? Run your ads for 3 to 5 days without changing anything. This is important. Don't change anything. You're collecting data now. Facebook needs time to learn who responds to your ads. You will see how many people click, how many people give you their email address, and how many buy. That's it. The most 3 important numbers to watch are these: how much each email subscriber costs you, what percentage of people actually buy your affiliate product, and your total return on investment. In other words, if you're spending $3 per email subscriber and 10% of them buy a product that gives you $50 commission, you're making $5 per subscriber against a $3 cost. That's a profit right there. After your testing phase, turn off ads that are not working, that are not performing. Increase spending on ads that are profitable. Create new variations based on what's performing best. This is a simple cycle. Test, measure, optimize, scale. That's it. Even your optimization can be AI assisted. Take your ad performance data to ChatGPT. Let me show you how it works. Pretty cool. Now, go to ChatGPT, and the prompt you're going to leave there is as following. I'm running ads for AI image tools. My ad 1 or ad A has 2% click rate. Ad B has 4%. What changes should I test? AI will give you specific recommendations for improving your results. So let's illustrate what we have here. You identified a trending product using data with exploding topics. Now, you've built a simple funnel with a landing page and email sequence, all created with AI. You're now running Facebook ads that cost $10 to $20 per day. And you're collecting 10 email subscribers, let's say, every single day. Let's do simple math. If 10 people join your email list per day, and over the next week, 2 of them purchase a product that gives you a $50 commissions, you have made $100. Your ad spend was, let's say, $200 for that week. That's not profitable yet, but here's the key. You now own those 70 email subscribers, and you can market to them repeatedly. Those 70 people on your list, over the next month, you'll send them valuable emails with more products, more recommendations. Maybe 5 more people buy. That's another $250. Now you're profitable. And the next month, those same subscribers might buy something else. This is why email lists are so valuable. One subscriber can generate revenue multiple times throughout the year. So now, how do you scale that? Once you're profitable, even if it's just $10 per day in profit, you scale. Increase your ad budget by 20%. Instead of $30 per day, spend $36. Keep scaling gradually while maintaining profitability. This is how our students go from $50 per day to $500 per day in ad spend. And after you have one profitable funnel, you build a second one in a different niche. Remember that grounding shoes trend that I showed you? That's a funnel number 2. Same system, different product. This is how you scale from $300 per day to $1,000 per day by running multiple profitable funnels. Here's the realistic expectations. Week 1, you're building and testing. Week 2, you're optimizing. Week 3, you might break even or see small profits. Week 4, you should have clear data showing you whether this is valuable. Most of our students reach consistent $300 plus per day in affiliate commissions within day 20th to 40th, depending on the work ethic and the niche they're in. Now, here's exactly what you need to do in the next 48 hours. First, go to exploding topics and find one trending product in a category that you're interested. Spend 30 minutes researching affiliate offers or programs. Go on different websites and trends. You can go on ClickBank, you can go on Digistore 24, Impact, whatever it might be. Choose one offer with at least 30% commissions. Second, create your free System.io account. Use ChatGPT to create your lead magnet content and your landing page copy. Use Canva with AI tools to design everything. Build your landing page and set up your 7 email sequences. That's it. This should take you 2 to 4 hours total, no more than that, maybe a day. Third, use ChatGPT to write you a Facebook ad copy that I just showed you. Use AI image generators to create your ad visuals. Set up your Facebook ads campaign within like $20, $15 a day budget. Launch it and let it run for 5 days before making any changes. 3 days, okay. If you're not patient, 3 days, it should be like, don't touch them before the 3rd day. Ideally, you want to leave them for 5 days. And that's your entire system, okay? So leave a comment below telling me which product trend you're going to test after this. I will review comments and provide you with guidance where I can. So, I want to help you. So leave me a comment which trend you have decided on. So, I'm going to critique it, maybe give you some advices, etc. And if you want more step-by-step content like this one, subscribe to the channel. I break down real strategies that are proven and that actually work. They're proven because myself and my business partner and my students have tested them multiple times. And also, send this video to anyone who's been waiting to start making money online with affiliate marketing but doesn't know where to begin. This is the most beginners-friendly system I can teach, literally. Using AI and a bunch of systems that you click a bunch of buttons and they set up everything for you. No technical skills, no special knowledge required. Look, I know this might feel overwhelming if you're just brand new, but here's the truth. Every successful affiliate marketer started exactly where you are right now. The only difference between them and you is that they took action. That's it. But think about it. You even have an advantage that they didn't have. They didn't have AI tools that do the work for entire teams. Use them. They're free or they're cheap, and they eliminate every excuse about not having skills or experience. So, will this make you rich overnight? No. Will it work if you implement this system consistently for 90 days? Based on what I've seen with hundreds of students, yes. The question is whether you will actually do it or not. I'm Ross Minchev from Profit Avengers. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and now it's time to go and build something.